If you've ever thought of taking your Raspberry Pi project on the go, then you understand how bulky and tedious it can get. And since it was not originally created with portability in mind, it lacks certain features common to mobile devices. This is why we created CutiePi, a 12mm thin Raspberry Pi tablet with an 8-inch display, a 5000 mAh battery, and a handle that also doubles as a stand. Now you are free to create whenever and wherever the inspiration strikes. At the heart of CutiePi is our own custom-designed circuit board. This piece of open-source hardware contains all the components necessary to make your projects portable. The onboard power management feature shows information about the battery life and gives you the freedom to use or recharge your CutiePi tablet just like your everyday gadgets. To take advantage of the custom hardware, we built our mobile shell on top of Raspberry Pi OS. Everything you need to work on the go, the shell has you covered. And it does all this while maintaining 100% compatibility with the original Pi environment.
Hi, my name is Pink. I'm the project lead of CutiePi. This project is built by the makers for the makers, and we've made everything open source. From the hardware design, firmware, to user interface. All of the design files are freely available for download, modify, and redistribute as you see fit. For the past few months, we have shared with you our exciting progress and full function prototypes. Now, we need your support to reach the next stage of the project, mass production. Join us and back CutiePi today. Untether your creativity, and together we can bring mobility to the Raspberry Pi world.